Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit. We are at project 4, which is push to toggle the LED. Let's see how this is done. What it says, take any color LED. So I'm taking the red color LED and connect the red wire of the LED to any hole in the positive rail. So I've connected the red wire to the positive rail and the black wire of the LED to J22. So J row column 22. Okay, J22. Okay, and connect one wire of the push switch to the negative rail. So here is the push switch. One wire goes to the negative rail and the other wire goes to A28. Okay, so that's connected. Then connect wire J25 to positive. J25 to positive and connect another wire from A25 to negative. A25 to negative. Okay, so it's connected. Make sure that you verify the connections before you switch it on. Okay, so nothing happens when we switch it on. Let's press the push switch. See, the LED comes on. Okay, you need to give a 5 seconds delay before you can press the switch again. Okay, so that is how. Perfect. So we have done project 4. Remember to switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.